This 2D drawing is provided here for reference only. So I will suggest you first draw this geometry, this 2D drawing in your notebook or paper anywhere else. So for simplification, it will clear up an idea in your mind and it will be easy for you to proceed further. Hello friends, welcome you all in Mechanical CAD room. Hope you are doing well. So let's start. First of all, be aware of the units. Here I am using mmgs as the units. So click on front plane, sketch, draw the line, right click the mouse button and simply drag it. So this is mouse gesture. I hope you have watched my previous lecture of this, uh, you can say the playlist, which is actually lab 7, and at the end of the video I have explained how to modify and how to use this mouse gesture. Okay, so drag it to the line and draw a line like this. Go upward, right click, select. You also can use this line command from here. Okay, now again line command, right click, select, circle command, again circle, smart dimension 25, six mm, and this is 12 mm. This dimension is 13 mm. This is 4. Enter. Now again draw line from this to this arbitrary line. Select this line, click Control from keyboard and click on this outer circle and leave the control and the mouse. Make it tangent. Trim. Use trim command and trim this entity. Here are other options as well, but I am using power trim here. If you can't find trim command here, this is also trim command. Okay, so you can utilize from this also. Click this line, make it construction geometry. So now go to the mirror entities. This is actually entities to mirror. Click this entity and this bottom entity. Mirror about this line. Okay, go to entities to mirror again. Select this bottom line also. Click OK. Now go to trim entities command and trim these half circles. Extrude this geometry. I am entering here 4 mm. Enter. Choose blind. Click OK. Click this face. Sketch. Click this bottom line. First you have to click this bottom line and convert entities. Now the entities are entities. Actually this line can be seen here. Go to offset, enter here 4, enter, select this line. This is downward, so make it reverse, cap ends and click. Actually you can see here arcs, so click lines. Okay, space bar, this front face. Go to extruded feature, extrude it up to 20 mm, enter. Okay, now go to fillet command. This is first type fillet is selected here, symmetric is selected, enter here 5, enter from keyboard and select this two edges. Okay, these two edges, click OK. Now some part of the geometry is ready. Click this upper face, click sketch, circle command, select this periphery, this fillet curve. Center point of this arc is visible here. Click this center point, draw a circle. Go here, select this outer line, outer arc, draw a circle. Right click, go to the line command, select this point and this end point, select. Now this center line point, arbitrary line, make these two lines as construction geometry, give it a dimension 5, select this circle, control and this circle, leave control, right click from mouse, make equal. Now mirror entities, select these two circles, mirror about this line. Okay, extruded cut, put here 2, enter. Okay, click the internal face, sketch, draw circle, I am actually using gestures, mouse gestures, so the work is a bit fast. 3 mm diameter, select, click this circle, click control and select all these 4 circles, leave the control and again select it. I actually accidentally click on the screen, so these are again not selected. Select this circle, control from keyboard and select all these circles, leave the control button key actually, so right click from mouse, make equal. So you can see all these are of 3 mm diameter. Extruded cut, here you can choose blind, you can choose through all, you can choose through all both, Okay, and you also can choose up to next direction to uncheck. Okay, so here you can see up to next means the next visible edge. Go to up to surface. So this is actually asking for the surface up to which you wanna cut the circles, cut the holes. So you have to select the bottom surface, this one. You can actually select this, click OK. So I have told you 2 to 3 options. Just left click, edit feature. So you can also click blind 2 mm, click OK. This is also working, you can see here. Okay, so go to appearance and metals, go to chrome or like copper. So polished copper and select part. Here I am using real view. If I uncheck it, you can see the geometry. Here plain white, you can see there is some changes. Space bar from keyboard and click this isometric view, or you can simply check real view. Okay, one more thing, go to appearances. Here are also the appearances. You can see part 1 is selected. Right click here, edit appearance, and in this section of edit appearance you can see the colors here. You can choose any one color of your choice. So for now I am selecting this color. This color is actually 255 red, green is 0 and blue is 255. Okay, R for red, G for green, B for blue. So if I change it to like 0, so the color is automatically changed. I am entering here 255, enter, so the color is changed. So I actually want to suggest you can change directly edit appearance from here. So click OK. Now do one more thing, go to solids here and select the whole, cut extrude feature, and again go to this internal side. Here is extrude boss part, but select first one, face. Now you can see the changes. So hope you understand how to edit the appearances as well and model this part. Spacebar, go to isometric view. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much.